Today guys, tatalakayin natin isa sa mga gaming phones na feel ko okay and sulit para sa kanyang price point. And I'm talking about the Realme Narzo 50 5G. And this phone is definitely packed with a lot of things that you can say na okay siya for gaming. And together with some of this gaming attachment from FlyDG, I'm going to show you na okay mag-game dito sa phone na ito. Tara, usap tayo! So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Psychic and welcome back to my channel. So before anything else, unbox muna natin si Narzo 55G. So yan guys, nakita na natin ang unboxing na itong phone na ito, and I have here is the Hyper Blue color. 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Currently, this one is priced at 11,999. I'll be posting the link on the description below. So quick phone tour lang tayo guys. Sa likod, 48MP na dual camera setup. Sa ilalim, ang kanyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, ang kanyang audio jack. Side, ang kanyang fingerprint scanner / power button. Ibabaw ang kanyang noise cancelling mic. Sa kabilang side, ang kanyang volume rocker plus ang kanyang SIM tray. Pagsundot natin, tingnan natin kung ano meron dito sa kanyang configuration. Ayun, kita natin, apparently it's a hybrid SIM. So, either you go for 2 nano SIM or isang nano SIM plus isang micro SD expansion. 5G support na pala siya guys. And sa harap, ang kanyang teardrop notch na 8MP selfie camera. 2022 na, still teardrop pa. So guys, itong Narzo 55G is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 810. It's a 6nm chip and it's designed for gaming. Actually, niran natin ang Antutu benchmark version 9.4.2. Nakakuha naman siya ng medyo decent score, near 400,000 points, which is, well, quite okay for me. Checking some other benchmarks sa wildlife, sinilip din natin si Geekbench. And sinabi ni DRM Info, it has a level 1 wideband security level, meaning pwede ka manood ng HD dito sa Netflix and other online streaming apps. Checking its refresh rate, it can support up to 90Hz of screen refresh rate. Itong phone na ito has a 6.6-inch IPS LCD and ang kanyang maximum brightness is up to 600 nits. Swiping left and right, it's quite smooth thanks to its 90Hz of screen refresh rate. Checking its speed test, actually okay naman. Mabilis naman sumagap ang kanyang Wi-Fi. Watching videos on this phone, I can say okay, enjoyable naman siya dahil sa kanyang malaking screen and definitely okay naman, bright naman kanyang screen. Wala mo naging problem no watching videos on this one, especially when browsing through social media. Okay naman siya dahil sa kanyang mataas na refresh rate, 90Hz ang kanyang refresh rate, meaning when you're browsing through Facebook, sa TikTok, and sa Instagram or Twitter, pag scroll nyo, it's definitely smooth. One thing na hindi ko masyado gusto dito sa phone na ito is out of the box, ang dami niyang bloatwares. Kita nyo guys, ito mga to is out of the box, kasama na siya. So guys, itong phone na ito comes with 2 speakers. Isa nandito sa ilalim and isa nakatago dito sa speaker grills. So i-check lang natin kung okay ba yung tunog niya, malakas nga ba, or just katamtaman lang for gaming, for watching videos, and probably listening to music on Spotify. Silipin natin. Surprising guys, ang sound dito coming from its stereo speaker is quite loud. I was thinking na medyo katamtaman lang or medyo mahina, but I was wrong. Medyo malakas ang ganang sound, no? Actually, I was listening to some music on Spotify and napansin ko, parang malakas siya. Which is definitely okay for me. Itong phone na to has 2 camera lens dito sa likod. It has a 48MP na main sensor and a 2MP na depth sensor. Sa harap, meron siya 8MP na front selfie shooter and I was able to try to take some pictures on this phone outdoors. I can say, okay siya, no? I was really surprised na this camera can perform. Actually, I was thinking na, well, it's more geared towards gaming, but yung camera niya can take in some really nice and decent shots outdoors. And when you go indoors, I can say okay din siya, no? Equally good, but there are sometimes sa pansin ko mga pictures medyo matingkad kahit madilim. So meaning ini-enhance niya ang lightings dito sa mga photos dito using the rear camera, no? And it's not bad for me, but sometimes medyo masyado maliwanag naman. And I was able to take in some of these medyo low light shots and I was surprised with the details that it was able to capture. Look at this photo. Okay siya, di ba? This is a figurine. And yung details na nakuha na dito is quite good. Checking some selfie photos, indoors I can see na okay siya, kahit medyo madilim, na-enhance niya ang lightings dito, no? So, making me a little bit brighter, but sometimes medyo masyado naman bright. And outdoors, okay, katamtaman lang kanyang mga kuha, no? And quite natural naman ang mga nakuha kong photos sa outdoors. Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng extra protection dito sa inyong Narzo 55G, I would highly recommend you get something like this one. A really nice na case from Shandy. It's called the Shandy Beetle and it fits right exactly dito sa aking Realme Narzo 55G. It looks nice and I know that this one have been using Beetle case for quite a while and I'm quite sure na kahit i-drop mo to within 4 meters height, kayang-kaya niya isalo. Walang damage tong phone mo. And so we're here to talk about the gaming of this phone. So this is the settings na kaya natin makuha dito sa Call of Duty Mobile and we'll put it to a quick game test. But before that, I have some of these attachments na gusto ko ikabit. And one of them is this one, a good looking na cooler which came from FlyDG. It's called the FlyDG Mobile Phone Cooling Fan B5. And meron siyang FlyOC na overclocking technology, meaning it can cool up to 50 times cooler than any other cooling devices out there in the market. Here are some specs na ma-expect natin from this cooling fan B5 ni FlyDG. It has overclocking technology which provides 50% extra cooling power. Smart frequency converter, meaning effectively preventing condensation. Wide area cooling din siya and it only weigh in at 76 grams. Apparently, this is how you attach it sa likod. Snap, ganito kabilis lang gamitin. Kuha na tayo ng kuryente sa ating power bank or sa ating mga adapter. Nakita natin RGB lighting sa likod which looks pretty cool. May green, may blue, may red. And, well, yung hangin na binoblow niya no, is a bit hot. And so, we'll put it to a gaming test. So, apparently, hindi lang yan ang gusto natin ikabit dito sa phone na ito. And I have here is 5 pair of finger sleeve. Also from FlyDG. I'm not quite sure kung anong gusto nilang i-convey dito sa atin, no? Bakit 5 pairs? Could it be susutin natin 1 each finger? And ang tawag dito guys is FlyDG Silver Cloak Mobile Gaming Finger Sleeve. Sige na nga, suotin na nga natin isa-isa. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, finally 5 pairs. Nabuo din natin after mga 10 minutes kong sinuot and ready na tayo mag-game. Probably this is the first time na may nagsuot ng finger sleeve sa bawat daliri dito sa probably I haven't really seen anyone did this and it's quite crazy. Sinakin lang natin ang trip ni FlyDG Philippines and it's quite good. Looks good on my fingers and honestly medyo madulas yung paghawak ko dito sa phone but it's quite fun having to wear all 5 pairs na pinadala sa atin ni FlyDG kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko Bakit 5 pairs? There must be a reason bakit 5 ang pinadala nila, no? So, sinakyan lang natin ang trip ni FlyDG and I was able to enjoy playing this game. So, si Narzo 55G, I can say ang gaming experience dito is quite good. I was able to play the Call of Duty Mobile for an hour and a half. And pag wala yung cooler, umaabot ako roughly mga 44 degrees Celsius. It's a bit hot. And while playing the game, mapapansin ko na okay naman siya, smooth naman siya dahil meron siya 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. The gameplay was good and the touch response sa screen is okay dahil siguro meron akong finger sleep. So, okay naman, smooth naman aking gameplay, but time to time, meron ako nafe-feel na kunting frame drop and of course, kunting lag. But hindi natin maiwasan na dahil this is not a flagship chip. It's a Dimensity 810. It can game but not to the full extent na yung tipong malalaro mo sa mga flagship devices. But overall, the gameplay was really good. So, I love playing game on this one. And itong FlyGG na cooler na B5 was able to bring down the temperature from 44 to around 38 degrees Celsius, which means it's dropping around 6 degrees Celsius, which definitely is very efficient, no? Sometimes na may na-rate pa ako ng 37, so depende sa, of course, ang kanyang cooling capacity. Overall, I can say na malamig. Malamig ang likod. So, pag hinawakan mo ang cooler, mafe-feel mo talaga malamig. Parang freezer. And the cooling efficiency was really great. And if yung phone mo kaya mag-support ng reverse charging, hindi mo na kailangan mag-tap sa power bank, rekta mo na sa Type-C port ng iyong phone. But of course, syempre, warning, mabilis maubos ang battery ng phone. Dahil nag-gaming ka na, then nagdo-draw pa ng power ang iyong cooler. So guys, nakita na natin ang capability nitong Realme Narzo 55G. And this phone definitely can game. And I was really surprised and blown away na okay ang kanyang performance, no? Not really that much na lags and okay, smooth naman ang gameplay. And not only sa gaming lang siya nag-excel, pati sa camera, okay din siya. And of course, 90 Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate, meaning sa browsing, okay din siya and watching videos. And not only that, pati ang kanyang loudspeaker is definitely okay. So guys, ano mako-comment nyo dito sa Realme Narzo 55G? For me, money's worth naman ng 11,990 mo dahil makukuha mo is definitely a good performing smartphone here, si Realme Narzo 55G. And so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss ang mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?